how's it going? I figured today I really need a car wash, and I think I can give you a tour of Splash and all we do in the time it takes for them to wash our car. So we're gonna jump out, we're gonna hand the keys to someone here at Splash, they're gonna start washing, and you're gonna be able to see everything we do. Come on over. Man, my car needed a wash so bad. The Splash guys are gonna take good care of it for them. But Splash also goes mobile. We've got our mobile van ready to rock, inside out, detailing, and they'll take great care of you here. Well, here, let's go. This is on the outside, this will come to you, but let's walk inside and we can see our detail department. But as the guys are working on the car wash in the back, this is our detail bay. This car just got tinted today. We do paint correction, ceramic coating, interior detailing, absolutely anything that you need gets done here in our detail bay by our professionals. Alrighty, as the car is getting washed, let's go see the customer lobby. Right here, we got snacks, beverages, ATM is accessible, and we'll soon have retail for all of our customers. And this is where the magic happens. The car's getting cleaned. We're gonna get you all checked out, and we're gonna help you figure out what service is best for you. Behind me, we've got all of our Splash packages. And then if we look over here, we've got our interior detail, we've got our exterior detail, when you need a little bit more than a 5-10 minute wash. Like we said, we offer ceramic coating, tint, and PPF. We're an Expel certified PPF installer, tint installer, and ceramic coating installer. We're gonna make sure that car looks absolutely phenomenal for you. Let's check on my car. It's been hand washed, tires and rims clean. We've got our blowers in the ceiling, giving it that first dry, and we've got our Splash team drying it, all microfiber towels. It looks a lot better. It definitely needed a wash. This is our waiting area. We've got our fish tank here, sit down, relax. And just so you know, all of our services here at Splash, the car wash is not by appointment, first come, first serve, but all of our other services you can book online. Guys, let's check on our car. It looks totally different. It needed a wash so badly. Right here is our vacuum station. We vacuum, we do the windows, we wipe down the interior, tire shines applied, and we get that car ready for the road. Alrighty, looks like my car is ready. Perfect. Thank you, Miguel. Thank you.